Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about dealing with the larger infrastructure. So cloud provider have set a certain rate limit, so Terraform can only request a certain number of resources over a period of time. Okay. Is it important to break larger configuration into the multiple smaller configuration that can be independently applied? So whenever you are working in real-time project, then you have to deal with the larger infrastructure, right? Like dev, staging, QA, prod, pre-prod, like that. Okay. So whenever you are dealing with the larger infrastructure, then make sure you have break your configuration file into the multiple smaller configuration file, so that whenever you are running your Terraform apply, you will not get any issue, okay, because of the remote API limitation. So alternatively, that you can also use make of -refresh command, that you can set the value equal to false, and the target flag for a work around not recommended. Okay, so target flag for a workaround that is not recommended whenever you are using -refresh flag. Okay, so let's go ahead and see it. So suppose you are working in real-time project, then you will have multiple folder like dev, okay, and prod, sorry, let me delete this first. So I want to create the root folder, prod, dev, then stage, okay, then QA, like that. Okay, so suppose you have this much of folder, and this under this folder you have large amount of file like 200 file or something like that. Okay, so you always have to make sure that you are following the same structure for the different environment. Okay, and you are calling this all whatever configuration file you have written using module, okay, in the main.tf file of the entire your infrastructure. You will have main.tf for all the environment. So what you can do, you can just call this environment specific module in your main.tf, so that it will not you will not face any issue like remote API limitation whenever you are running for a specific environment. Okay, so you are not going to run for all the environment at once, right? So you are going to, suppose you are going to run for dev first, then QA first, then stage, then after that stage, then after that prod. Okay, so you are going to run Terraform apply using one by one, like you will run for dev first, then second stage, QA and prod. Okay, so you are not going to face the any remote API limitation like that. Okay, so this is the main concept of dealing with the larger infrastructure. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.